This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Daniel Parrish. Best golf course lot. Iconic neighborhood of the Riverfront All brick home built by Sadler Homes offers 5 bedrooms 3 full baths boast newly renovated 3,600 square feet floor plan with great views of the golf course. Coastal Maine Inspired design, new floors, new carpet, fresh paint, large eat-in kitchen with bar stools under the island, beautiful new fantasy brown granite countertops with island white cabinets and stainless steel appliances. Dining room, formal living room connects. Natural gas connected grill from the mini decks. Upstairs Grandmaster suite with a double-sided fireplace, great for a relaxing sitting room with a sizable, luxurious brand new bathroom and the huge master closet with personal balcony, perfect for private dinners or sunrise mornings and coffee. Spacious bedrooms and laundry on second floor. Don't forget to visit and enjoy the Riverfront's many amenities like the Clubhouse, 2 community pools, tennis courts, 2 docks.